pay someone hundreds of dollars to create a professional advertisement for you when you can do it for absolutely free from the freedom of your own mobile device at home? Guys, we got 5 minutes on the clock. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go.
What a wonderful.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be talking about motion tracking. And what is that? I know you guys, a lot of you guys are gonna be like, all right, Phil, you lost me. But it's that thing we did at the beginning where, like, maybe you saw it says subscribe. No, but in all seriousness, this is motion tracking. You can create this in After Effects, and usually you'll hire someone on Fiverr to do this for you for a lot of damn money. And right now we're drop shipping. Maybe you don't have a lot of capital, a lot of income coming in, and you just need to start getting some professional looking ads. And you can do that from this thing right here, your phone. You can create all this for free on your phone. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how, but first I wanna pull up an example real quick so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So, so let's watch this ad real quick.
It's called the new Snap Wireless Power Pack. It is amazing.
Alright guys, so we're going to talk about this ad real quick and do a little case study over it and kind of dissect it and talk about the good things they did. So at the beginning, I don't know if you can really see it, but their thumbnail. The thumbnail had some emojis, it looked good, but it was clean at the same time. Next was their scroll stop, their first 3 seconds of the video. So these first 2-3 seconds of the video was this beautiful girl. It looked like it was shot from a handheld like device, like it was just a review. So that's some social proof. She was talking about the company or whatever she said, I don't remember. And it just showed that this is real, someone's actually received the product and they like it. So that got someone to stop. And as soon as they got that 3 seconds, they stopped, someone accepted the ad and they're like, all right, let's hear what you gotta say. That's when they went into a nice clean transition, but it was a very clean and professional looking ad, and very simple ads are very professional looking ads. Don't overdo it, get good lighting, do your thing. So they started out with just the product on a flat lay. I think it was a flat lay, and they just opened it up. They showed how easy it was to just, when you receive the product, you get it, bop. It comes out, I think a charger falls out, and then the actual charging device comes out. We can next see they do the motion tracking, and that is a very professional part of this advertisement that I wanted to talk about. You order the product to your house, you get it, you get your mobile phone, right? And we can do this all for free. So there's tons of free editing apps you can find on the App Store, but the tracking part we can do through Snapchat. So when we motion track, what we want to do is we want to put a text on the product. We're gonna hold it down, and as it holds down, it'll scan, and once it scans, it'll track that object. So as long as you don't pull that object out of frame the whole time, the text will stay with it. So guys, we're gonna talk about how that company achieved that creamy background where just the subject stood out, it was the only thing in focus and everything else was blurred. And you get that, oh, yo, as soon as I said blurred, so everything else, okay. So how everything else was blurred and how that looked really dope, because the only thing the customer could look at was the subject. So your attention was always on it, and it just gives it a very, very professional look. So if you go on your iPhone, I think it's iPhone 7s and up, they have this, but in the top right corner, it's this F, and that's your f-stop. This is so weird. Yes, I have a barstool flag. I'm weird like that. Alright, so see on the camera, how I'm in focus, but my phone's not. That's the f-stop. That's our depth of field, and that's where my focus is. So, when I lower the f-stop, so right now it's at a 16, if I lower it down, everything starts getting more blurry. You know what I'm saying? So there's a 1.4 f-stop. I'm shooting currently this video at a 2.8. So that's f-stop. That's how you create depth of field, but you can't do that through video. You can only do that in photo on your phone. I know that sucks, but that's why maybe you should invest in a real camera. I opened this video up with a horizontal video because I knew on YouTube that it's a 16:9 aspect ratio. It's longer, it's wider. So I needed that length. So if I was gonna make an ad using this method, I would turn it vertical and I would have portrait mode, and I would let that work for me. So I can take up more of their Instagram timeline, more of their feed, more of their Facebook feed, whatever, just so my video is not cropped and squished and smaller. Because you want the big video, you want everyone's attention on you. Alright guys, I just want to thank you for watching my video to the end. You made it. I hope you have some pure value bombs that you can implement this into your own store, start making some better ads, boosting those sales, making that kadash, you know what I'm saying? Without further ado, take it easy guys. But you can only achieve this through video, through photo. I can't even talk. I hope that summed it up. Oh, so tired.